Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of CUP TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode we're going to be looking at the Sweet Shop 2 designed by Vicky Sumner. It's a mini kit and you get 3 sheets, a kit preview and the terms of use in the kit. Cup number for this item is CUP 942613_43136. In the kit you're going to get the 3 sheets and you get the main image and then lots of decoupage to build over the top of it. We're also going to get a full decoupage sheet for so many layers to build up the gorgeous image. It's a beautiful sweet shop. And we're also going to get the insert and sentiments and a bit more decoupage to build up. Now I just want to point out before we make the card that if you are a new crafter, please don't be thinking that you have to use every layer. If you're a bit daunted by the fact that there's a lot of decoupage in any kit, just use the layers that you feel happy using. However, it's not an advanced kit and you are capable of doing it if you just follow the instructions and layer everything up, and I think you'll be very surprised with your results. Now for the kit, you're going to need a card base. The card base I've used is an A5 card and it was just a piece of A4 folded in half. I've added a ribbon already around the edge and we're going to go ahead and do the insert first, which is really simple, and it's cutting out the insert from the sheet and adding it to the inside of the card. All I've done is added flat adhesive tape on the back of the insert and I'm simply positioning it through the centre of our card. There we go, and that's the insert complete. Nice and simple. So the front of the card, the first layer is the base image that we're going to add to the base of our card. Again, I've got flat tape on the back of it and all I'm doing is simply peeling the tape away, and then I'm going to position this on top of my card and I'm just sliding it underneath the ribbon and then positioning it on the front of the card. You at home could add your ribbon at the end. Just for easiness sake, I've added mine now. So that's the base image on the card. So now we can build up all the decoupage layers. So the first layer I have is the beautiful sweet shop and the trees at the side. I've cut the insides of the trees and the side of the sweet shop out using a craft knife because I feel comfortable using that. If you want to use scissors or whatever you feel happy with. So we're just positioning the layer over the top of the previous layer, and it had 3D foam on the back of it. The next layer is slightly smaller, and for new crafters that's for building up the decoupage, so you see the pattern behind each layer and it gives you that 3D effect. Again, I've got 3D foam on the back and I'm just simply marrying up the layer over the image of the previous layer. There we go. The next layer is the sweet shop front. Now I know Vicky has included lots of different layers in the kit and it's only time restraints that I've picked out the layers that I'm using. So please go ahead and use them all. There we go. And then the next layer is the sweet shop itself. Every layer is on the 3D foam and it's just simply building them up to make this gorgeous design. Next, I've got the canopy of the sweet shop, again just on 3D foam, and I'm simply marrying that up. And then I'm going to finish our card using 2 of the sentiments that Vicky's included, and I'm using 2 of the printed ones, and Vicky has included blank ones, so you could use your own message if you want. So I'm using Enjoy Your Retirement and Sorry You're Leaving, and I'm going to add these just the either side of the bow, just like that, so you can see them both and the bow just sits over the top. And that is our card finished. Beautiful insert that matches perfectly to the outside of the card. I'd just like to remind you of the cup number for this item, and please check out Vicky's gorgeous designs as well. The cup number is 942613_43136. I'd like to say thank you for watching, and we shall see you next time.